Need to set an alarm on your Android phone quickly? In this guide, you'll learn how to create a new alarm in less than 2 minutes and customize it to fit your daily routine, whether it's for waking up, reminders, workouts, or important appointments. Start by opening the clock app on your Android device. If you don't see it on your home screen, swipe up to access the app drawer, type clock into the search bar, and tap the clock app when it appears. Most Android phones, including Samsung devices, come with this app pre-installed. Once the clock app opens, tap the alarm tab if it isn't already selected. To create a new alarm, tap the plus button, usually located in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. Next, set your desired alarm time. Scroll through the hours and minutes until you reach the correct time. If your phone uses a 12-hour clock format, double-check that you've selected the correct AM or PM option. If you want the alarm to repeat on specific days, tap the day letters shown beneath the time and select the days you prefer. This is especially useful for work schedules, school mornings, or recurring tasks. Before saving, you can personalize the alarm with several optional settings. Add a custom alarm name such as morning workout or meeting reminder to help you identify it later. You can also change the alarm sound by selecting a different ringtone, choosing music, or using available voice assistant features on supported devices. For extra convenience, adjust the snooze settings to control how often the alarm repeats and how long it waits between snoozes. This can help you build a routine that works best for your lifestyle. Finally, tap Save to activate the alarm. Your new alarm is now ready and will ring at the scheduled time. That's it, you've successfully set an alarm on your Android phone in less than 2 minutes.